Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines by Proformance Unlimited. Happens to be one of our real special engines. It's always the favorite engine of all our customers is our 347. This happens to be the 450 edition. Gentleman chose to be black wires, black block, dual sunk pan, a nice full boat march system on here. We got our black cap distributor in this, and this gentleman happens to be running a 750 Holley carburetor. All tuned in here, fuel ratios are perfect. Horsepower for this one made 479 and 465 torque. You can't ask for anything better for a 450 edition. 347 going to go into a little Mustang. Each and every one of our engines are custom built to order. We build them specifically the way you'd like them to look. If you have any input other than that, would be helpful if you tell us what you'd like, and we'll be happy to build it for you. Hey, peace. All right, Steven, got your 87 Ford Mustang engine. Happens to be one of our 347 450 editions. Motor came out gorgeous, runs great. Gonna fire it up and give you a run demo. How's that? Beautiful oil pressure, air fuels are perfect. Ready to roll.